In this video, we will learn how to use monthly company budget template in Excel sheet. So let's start. Just click on the File tab. You get here option More Templates. Just click on that. There are so many categories available of template: business, personal, planner and trackers, list, budget, charts and calendar. Just click on the budget. Now there are so many templates of budget related. Now we see the monthly company budget. Click on the create. Here you can see there are 4 sheets available: the income, personal expense, operating expense and monthly budget summary. Okay, in income sheet you mention your income, estimated income and actual income. Okay, before starting the month you estimate your income and source of income also you can mention here, and after that complete the month the actual income you mention. Then the personal expense you can mention here your personal expense, estimate it, and then actually you made the actual expense amount you have mentioned. Then operating expense you can mention the advertising, bad debts, cash discount, delivery cost, depreciation. This is a budget for monthly budget for company, not for personal use. This is the company monthly budget, monthly company budget. Therefore here you see the sample data also. These are related of the company expense, company's operating expense, the advertising, delivery cost, depreciation, due and subscription, insurance, interest. These are the expense samples is available here. So you can use your, if you are doing the any company works and you, if you have your own company, you can use these templates. You can see here the chart also available, the estimate charts and actual chart. What you actual estimate amount and actual you paid expense and earn the income. What is the difference between them? You get here. So this is a so easy templates you can use monthly basis for your monthly budget of your company. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.